Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by enabling the language keyboard in Settings. Open Language or Keyboard Preferences now and add the target language. Choose the specific layout you want, native layout or phonetic, because that determines key mapping. Once added, set a convenient toggle shortcut like Alt plus Shift or CMD plus space so you can switch quickly. Make sure to download any language packs or fonts if prompted. This prevents missing characters when you type. You'll switch instantly and confirm the layout visually in the menu bar or taskbar. Now configure deeper options. Remap keys or install an input method editor, IME for languages with complex scripts. Open a text editor and test typing common words and punctuation, because practice reveals surprises like dead keys or alternate diacritics. If available, enable the on-screen keyboard to see exact key output while you learn. Customize autocorrect, text shortcuts, and character palettes to speed typing. For example, set a shortcut for an accented letter. Once comfortable, try typing full sentences to build muscle memory. To finish, switch languages mid-document using your shortcut or the system menu and continue typing without stopping your workflow. Use the character viewer or a compose key to insert rare symbols and diacritics when a single key won't do. This avoids copying from other apps. If characters fail to appear or look wrong, restart the input service, reinstall the IME, or check the font supports the script. If problems persist, confirm system language packs are installed. That usually resolves missing characters.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.